This is Sugar. We were just fluffing up your bed, weren't you? Sugar's at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. And she is aptly named. Yes, you are. You are sweet as sugar, aren't you, darling? You have gorgeous fur. Nice fluffy tail. Yes, that's talking about you. You were just fluffing up your bed, weren't you, girl? Pink becomes you. Yeah. Oh, you're so sweet. That's your name, right? Yeah, you got everything going for you right now, darling. Except, right now you're homeless. But when people see you, I bet somebody's going to come along real fast and say, oh, I want Sugar. She's such a sweetie. Yes, you are, girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.